Today, we talk about...
Oh, all right, let's get into it. Let's keep it moving, shall we? Wow, these are so dangerous. I don't know how I feel about these. It's like way too smooth. Way too smooth. So I'm gonna cut myself. Put that away. Okay, let's... All right, been waiting for these bitches. Let's got it. All right, let's grab these, bring these over here. Don't trip, don't trip. Okay, so let's get into the box first. And B, New Balance. Who knows if this harkens back to the OG? Well, I won't know for real, but there you go, 11 and a half. Lifestyle. Yeah, New Balance, and there you go. So, bop. No, it's not the New Balance I was expecting. Actually, it's another one. But here you go. And this is the New Balance X90 Packer Shoes Infinity. Damn, son, where to find these? Had to buy these for about 100 over retail because I slept on the release. Shout out to Tone of My Voice. We're here. Tone of My Voice. Definitely caught my eye when he posted these. Oh, I didn't realize they came with extra laces. Extra lace gang. Although I'm going to keep these in. A, because I'm lazy. B, because they look fire. But yeah, so the Packer Shoes did their collab on the X90 model. There's been actually a bunch of great colorways of these. But the thing that makes these special in general is the fact that they harken back to a lot of the different 990 series shoes. So the 997s, 998s, 999s, which are all great classics for New Balance enthusiasts. And this is kind of like a modernized take of all that ish. So of course, this is fire from a colorway, color blocking perspective. The Pebble leather. Damn, son. Of course, the plush lining and then the outsole. Let's take a quick look at that. Dope, dope. Super, super dope. Toe box is very clean. Yeah, I really dig these. Let's get it. Bruh, oh my God. These are OD, Jesus. Oh wow, even the four ends are all different. Huh. Fascinating. Cool. What are those? Damn, son, where to find these? I mean, hey, yo, but you know. Wow, bruh. Jeez. Let's get a quick all foot. Yeah, these are fuego. Brah. Yeah, so here you go. X90, baby. Infinity Recon. Super dope, super dope. Very happy with these. Super plush, very comfortable, very sleek. Help yourself to a pair if you feel like paying resale. It's not too crazy. Could be worse. It is what it is. But that said, we out. See you next time. Bye.